Here are the simple instructions on installing the eco-friendly AquaFresh refrigerator water filter for the Frigidaire. First, you will notice that the head on the original filter doesn't look like the head on the replacement. Our new design improves the fit and stability of the factory model. It fits like a glove. The WFCB3 filter has a slightly different design than the original. The new construction of the top head is spring-loaded to ensure a tight fit. An important note about your WF3CB refrigerator water filter. Before installation, the filter blades on the head should be in the closed position as seen here. When the filter is installed, the blades will spread and lock into the receiver like this. So make sure the head is in the closed position for proper installation. Installation is simple. First, turn off your ice maker. Then, remove the old filter by simply pushing in on the end and it should easily slide out. Next, make sure to remove the plastic caps on your WFCB3. Without these off, you will not be able to install the filter. Making sure the guide on both the filter and the filter housing align. Simply slide in the filter. Once the filter is in place, push the filter in firmly until it bottoms out in the receiver. The head is spring-loaded so it will take more pressure to install than the original filter. Release pressure and it will lock into place. Make sure to run the dispenser for several gallons to flush the system of any air. Then turn on your ice maker and installation is complete. Filters are designed to last 6 months. It is recommended to change your filter 2 times a year for the freshest drinking water. AquaFresh, the eco-friendly filter. AquaFresh uses advanced technology to turn renewable coconut shells into carbon blocks that turn tap water into great tasting water. AquaFresh, drinking clean water, the key to a healthy body and mind.